Sneeze, and welcome back to my channel. Now I know that you must be super upset with me. I took forever to make this video, but I want to apologize, and I am here and I'm doing it because period. So guys, you know, if you want a personalized sneeze video, you always email me at sneezegirl111@gmail.com. And I'm about to just get right into it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget that my raffle is here and you need to get it. The raffle for the chance to win a free sneeze video. The ticket is $15. If you want 2 tickets, it's gonna be $25. Buy as many as you like. I don't discriminate, period. So let's get started. So in this video, I said that they want very messy from the angle of like right here, even though I have a double chin, and they don't want me to like wipe or anything like that, and they don't want too many cut clips. They want like just raw. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh shit. Oh, I have to wipe that. I'm sorry, I cannot do that. Ooh. Ooh. Oh shoot, my lash. They want me to wipe, so it's gonna get real messy. So warning, if you don't like seeing snot, you're finna see it. So get out of here. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. This is a lot. Oh shit. Oh, I had to clean up just a little bit. I'm sorry. My lash is coming off. Freak. Oh my gosh, my lashes are coming off. Oh my god, you know what? I'ma just, if they come off, they come off. It is what it is. Cause these sneezes are messy. Look at my freaking lashes, guys. Look at my face. Oh my god. That's nasty. wash my freaking lashes. That was that. Once again, I'm sorry it took so long to post your video. I hope you enjoyed your video. I will be emailing you too. Also, guys, just don't forget about the raffle. Tickets are $15. I have a mini video explaining everything, so if you would like to see that, just go and watch the shorts, my shorts. I love you guys so much, and stay tuned because there's a much longer video coming because they paid a lot for that. So, love you guys. Bye.